Chocolates are all-time favorite for most of them. It could be elderly or kids. There are different varieties of chocolates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare simple and quick chocolates with compound slabs or chocolates. Do try it at home. Definitely you will love it and make your loved ones happy. Let's see how to prepare it, but before that, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon to get the notification. To prepare easy and quick chocolates with compound slabs, here I have taken compound chocolates, white chocolates, milk chocolates and the dark chocolates. Apart from this, I have other flavors too, that is orange, strawberry and mango. You can get this easily in few stores and even online. To prepare chocolates, we need the molds. Here I have taken these silicone molds. You can take any variety of molds if you have. In case you don't have these molds, then you can prepare it with the ice trays. These are polycarbonate trays. And in this mold, you can prepare chocolate bars and you can surprise your loved ones. Here I have taken this dry fruit so that I can prepare dry fruit chocolates, and also desiccated coconut to prepare coconut chocolate. So I need this condensed milk to bind the desiccated coconut. And here are few varieties of jam. This is pineapple jam, which is homemade. Definitely I'll come up with this homemade jam in my future videos. These are the apricot jam and the fruit jam. You can take any fillings of your choice. You can wrap the chocolates with these wrappers. You get this in the market. Let's see how to prepare the chocolates now. I've taken a saucepan and kept water to boiling. And to this, I'm taking chocolate pieces in a bowl, and I need to melt the chocolates with this. This is called as double boiling. In case you don't need to do this method, then you can directly heat the chocolate or melt the chocolate in the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the chocolate is melted, switch off the flame and then you can mixing it well, so that this is called as the tempering. The tempering should be good, and make sure that the chocolate is not too hot, not too cold before transferring it to the mold. So temper the chocolate to the normal temperature. You can even use the chocolate testing tool to test the temperature. Let me add the condensed milk to the desiccated coconut and mix it well. And the chocolate filling is ready. You can fill it in the piping bags. Now to the mold. I'm pouring the melted chocolates. There are different methods of pouring the chocolates to the molds. Once it is done, keep it for 1 or 2 seconds and then just tilt it on a butter paper, so that those chocolates you can use it later. So with a palette knife, you can just clean the chocolate mold. And once it is done, you can keep in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 minutes. So you can see the chocolate is set now. Now you can do any filling. I've done with other chocolates too. So already I have filled the fillings with the piping bags. So we need to fill it in this way. So once the filling is done, pour the remaining melted chocolate over this so that it will be covered. In case you don't need to fill the chocolates with any fillings, then you can directly pour the melted chocolates to the mold. When it is done, keep in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes or until it is set. Now the chocolates are set, so just tilt the molds on a tray and you can see the beautiful chocolates. So this is one with a silicone mold. Comes out really easily and you get cute little chocolates. You can sharp the edges with a knife or a scissors. So here are the combination chocolate, that is strawberry and milk chocolate. You can see the glossy texture in the chocolates because of tempering. So these are few chocolates, milk chocolates. You can do any variety of chocolates. You can mix and match the colors too. And these are the few chocolate bars. Here I've done with the dark chocolates. You can do with any color. So the chocolates are ready now. Definitely all will love this. And you can see I have done lot of varieties in this. Here I have mixed the colors with the orange, white, and these are few stuffed chocolates. Definitely all will love this. These cute little chocolates will attract anyone. So your kids will really be happy to see this. So once it is done, you can wrap the chocolates with the chocolate wrappers and you can keep it or store it for longer time. So you need not buy chocolates anymore from the market. You can just prepare at home of your choice. So the chocolates are getting ready now with the wrappers. That's really beautiful. And here are a few bars. I'll even wrap these chocolates. So here we go with cute little tasty chocolates. Do try and let me know your comments.